Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Pycharm updated and your Copilot account ready. Once done, open plugins and install GitHub Copilot. The IDE will request permission. Next, sign in with the same account Copilot uses and allow the OAuth prompt. This links your IDE to the service. Make sure Git is configured in Pycharm, since Copilot often uses repo context. Now that authentication is complete, you're ready to enable inline suggestions and move into active use. You now configure behavior and practice real prompts. Open settings and tune suggestion frequency and inline placement. Lower frequency if suggestions feel noisy. Once configured, provide context. Open the module you're working on, write a descriptive comment or a function signature, and let Copilot generate code. Use Tab to accept, Control+Enter to open alternative suggestions, and arrow through options to refine. If the suggestion is close, edit in place. This teaches you how Copilot anticipates intent and improves speed. Finish by validating and integrating Copilot output into your workflow. Run unit tests, linters, and a quick security scan. Copilot can produce plausible but incorrect code, so verification is essential. If suggestions stop, revoke access in your account and re-authenticate the plugin. This often clears token or permission issues. Finally, check Pycharm logs and update the plugin. If a persistent bug appears, capture steps and log excerpts before contacting support. That speeds resolution and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.